Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss multiple choice questions, choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks from the chapter progressions. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, let's move to the question. The nth term of an AP is given by an is equals to 3 plus 4n, then what is the common difference? So nth term is given as an is equals to 3 plus 4n. Now nth term is given, then what will be n plus 1th term? A in the place of n, keep n plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 4 of, in the place of n plus 1, which is equals to 3 plus 4 into n, 4n plus 4 ones are 4 is equals to 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4n. Now this is nth term and this is n plus 1th term. So n plus 1th term minus nth term, we will get common difference. Okay, let us do subtraction of these two. N plus 1th term 7 plus 4n minus nth term 3 plus 4n. Here 3 plus 4n has two terms, so that's why keep bracket 3 plus 4n. So now 7 plus 4n minus into 3 minus 3 minus into 4n minus 4n. So here plus 4n minus 4n both will get cancelled. We remains with 7 minus 3, that is nothing but 4. So the common difference is 4. Option C is the correct option. Question number 2. If P, Q, R, S are in AP, then R minus Q equals to how much? He said very clearly P, Q, R, S are in AP. If all those four are in AP, then the common difference will be same. So second term minus first term, Q minus P is equals to third term minus second term, R minus Q is also equals to fourth term minus third term, that is S minus R. Now he is asking about R minus Q. So R minus Q is equals to Q minus P, or else R minus Q is equals to S minus R. So in the options we have S minus R, then R minus Q is equals to S minus R. So the correct option is option C. Question number 3. Nth term of the given AP 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7 and so on. So nth term formula for AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. A is nothing but first term, that is 5, plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into D, common difference nothing but second term minus first term. Here second term 2 minus first term 5, 2 minus 5 minus 3. So in the place of D, substituting minus 3. 5 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 5 plus 3 8 minus 3n. So nth term of the given AP is 8 minus 3n. So option C is the correct option. Next question number 4. Sum of first n odd numbers. This is the direct formula. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So option D is correct option. Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Question number 5. If A, B, C are in AP, then A minus B divided by B minus C is equals to how much? He mentioned very clearly A, B, C are in AP. So common difference is same, then second term minus first term, that is B minus A is equals to third term minus second term, that is C minus B. Now this RHS C minus B is there. This total C minus B I will multiply with 1, because C minus B into 1 also C minus B only. Now I will take this C minus B to the left side. B minus A. C minus B is multiplication. If we take another side, it will become division. C minus B is equals to 1. Now what I will do, B minus A is there. From B minus A, I will take minus common. So if I take minus common, plus B will become minus B, minus A will become plus A, whole divided by, in the same denominator also I will take minus common, then minus B will become plus B, plus C will become minus C, is equals to 1 as usual. In the numerator as well as in the denominator, minus will get cancelled, so we remains with A minus B divided by B minus C is equals to 1. So the value of A minus B by B minus C is nothing but 1. So option A is the correct option. Question number 6. If 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are in AP, then what is the x value? So it is clearly mentioned that they are in AP, so common difference is same. Second term minus first term, x plus 10 minus 2x is equals to third term minus second term. Third term 3x plus 2 minus, here in the second term two terms are there, so that's why bracket x plus 10. So now x plus 10 minus 2x is equals to 3x plus 2 minus into x minus x minus into plus 10 minus 10. Everything I will take to one side. So x plus 10 minus 2x plus 3x will become minus 3x plus 2 will become minus 2 minus x will become plus x minus 10 will become plus 10 is equals to 0. Now let us do cancellation. X minus 2x minus x minus x minus 3x minus 4x plus x minus 3x. Next, 10 minus 2, 8 plus 10, 18 is equals to 0. I will take plus 18 to the right side, then it will become minus 18. Minus 3x is equals to minus 18. Left side minus, right side minus will get cancelled. So we remains with 3x is equals to 18. I want x value, so I will take 3 to the right side. So x is equals to 18 divided by 3. If you do cancellation, 3 ones are 3 6 are, so x value is 6. Option D. Question number 7. 11th term of an AP minus 5 comma minus 5 by 2 comma 0 comma 5 by 2 and so on. So 11th term A11 is equals to A plus 10D. A is nothing but first term. Here first term is minus 5 plus 10 into D, common difference. What is the common difference here? Here minus 5 by 2 minus 5. If we do subtraction of these two, it is little difficult. So for easy purpose, I am going with this 0 number. These two numbers I will do difference now. 5 by 2 minus 0. 5 by 2 minus 0 is nothing but 5 by 2. So if we do cancellation, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so we will get minus 5 plus 5 5s are 25. So 25 minus 5, 20. Then option B is the correct option. Question number 8. If D, that is common difference, of an AP is 5, then the value of A18 minus A13. A18, 18th term is A plus 17D. A13, 13th term, A plus 12D. We want subtraction, so I will do subtraction of these two. 18th term A plus 17D minus 13th term A plus 12D. Here two terms are there, so bracket A plus 12D. So now a plus 17d minus into a minus into 12d minus 12d. Here plus a minus a both will get cancelled. We remains with 17d minus 12d. 17d minus 12d, 5d. 5 into d. D is nothing but common difference. So 5 into common difference. Already in the question he gave the d value as 5. So 5 into 5, it is 25. Option C is the correct option. Okay, question number 9. Sum of first 16 terms of an AP 10, 6, 2 and so on. So sum of the first n terms formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. He is saying about 16 terms, so S16 we need to find. N 16 terms, so 16 by 2 into 2 of A, nothing but first term is 10 plus N 16 minus 1 into D, common difference. Second term minus first term. Here second term is 6 minus first term is 10. 6 minus 10 minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4. If you do cancellation, 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 into 2 10s are 20 plus 16 minus 1 15 into minus 4. This is equals to 8 times 20 plus into minus 15 4s are 60, which is equals to 8 into 20 minus 60 minus 40. 8 into minus 40 plus into minus 8 into 4 32 10. So sum of 16 terms of this AP is minus 320. Question number 10. If n minus 2, 4n minus 1, 5n plus 2 are in AP, then what is the n value? We know if terms are in AP, then the common difference is same. So second term minus first term. Second term 4n minus 1 minus first term. In the first term more than one term is there, so bracket compulsory. N minus 2 is equals to third term minus second term. Third term 5n plus 2 minus, again here also in the second term more than one term is there, so bracket compulsory. 4n minus 1. 4n minus 1 minus into n minus into minus plus 2 is equals to 5n plus 2 minus into 4n minus into minus 1 plus 1. Now I will take everything one side. So 4n minus 1 minus n plus 2 plus 5n will become minus 5n plus 2 will become minus 2 minus 4n will become plus 4n plus 1 will become minus 1 is equals to 0. 4n 8n minus 5n 3n minus n 2n. Next plus 2 minus 2 cancel, minus 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. I will take minus 2 to the right side, then it will become plus 2. So 2n is equals to plus 2. Then n is equals to 2 by 2. 2 cancel. We will remains with 1. So n value is 1. Option A is the correct option. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.